How are you all? Thank God for keeping us safe and healthy. Start with our second lesson, more about Windows 7. Windows 7 is the most popularly used operating system. As soon as you open the computer, the screen which appears in front of you is called the desktop, and the small icons and the small pictures on it are called icons. Whatever is stored in your computer is accessible from the icon called computer. Now, this one, suppose this icon, local disk C. Now, this icon shows that your computer has a hard disk. When you double click on the local disk C icon, a window appears that displays a list of files and folders. What are files? File is a collection of data or information. And what is folder? A folder is a location for organizing and storing files. Now let's go to wallpaper and screensaver. What is wallpaper? The background image which you can see on the desktop. The image which you see on the desktop is called the wallpaper. Now you can change the wallpaper if you want. How to go? Go to start button and then go to control panel. In control panel you will go to personalization, and there you can choose whatever wallpaper you want. Screensaver. What is screensaver? The image that you see when your computer is idle for a specific time is called the screensaver. Idle means what? Suppose you are not using your computer for time being, and if you want to work after 5 to 10 minutes or maybe half an hour, you don't want to waste your time in shutting down and reopening the computer. That is why when you leave the computer on, a screensaver appears. Why does screensaver appear? So that your computer will not get hot. It won't get too hot when it is remaining on or when it is idle. That is why the screensaver is used when the computer is idle. You can change the screensaver as per your choice. For that, you have to go to personalization gallery, and there you can click on screensaver. When you click on screensaver, this type of screen appears in front of you. And over here where there is written 3D text, you can write whatever text you want depending on your choice. Explorer. What is Windows Explorer? It is a program that helps in viewing and managing files and folders. How you can open Windows Explorer? First go to Start and go to Accessories, and there you will find Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer screen. The Windows Explorer screen appears like this. Now, the navigation pane. It is also known as left pane. And what it displays? It displays the drive and folder. The files and folder. That is the right pane. It displays the files and folder. Creating a new file. How did you create a new file? In the left pane of the Windows Explorer, click on the drive or the folder in which you want to create a new file, and then a new file folder will appear in front of you. Renaming the file or folder. In the right pane, click on the file or folder you want to rename. In the second step, you go to Home and then click on Rename. The another step is go to the folder, right click and click over here Rename. You can rename the file or folder whatever you want. join